and I came from Bangalore to attend this workshop that can guide you through your journey as an entrepreneur, someone who is holding your hand. For a normal human, for a layman to understand everything about a startup ecosystem. Hi, I am Sumant, and I came from Bangalore to attend this workshop. And initially, when I thought about this, I was not really sure what's going to be discussed. And I thought, 2 days, how can it help someone to decide on a startup or something? Will I get everything a possible thing? But once the workshop started, I think it is covering almost all the facets that is required for a layman, for a normal human, for a layman to understand everything about a startup ecosystem. How to start a business, how to think of an idea, how to grow your idea, and how to validate it, and all the required things. Something that is very difficult for a common man to know, and that is why most of the people hesitate to start up. They continue with their regular jobs because they're not clear about so many things. So I think this workshop is providing that clarity for anyone who comes with an idea or who is in a journey to arrive at an idea. So in my case, I'm still in my journey to arrive at an idea, but still I feel this gives me enough clarity, and this also will help me to easily arrive at my idea. That much I can say. And once we get that, and the workbook that you got is really like a guide. So with each step clearly defined, and what to do, when, how, etc. That can guide you through your journey as an entrepreneur, someone who is holding your hand. Okay, I think it's truly helpful, and I recommend anyone who has an idea or who is doing business or who doesn't have an idea and you want to get clarity around that. All of these categories of people can definitely try and explore this. It'll help.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.